I ordered this rosemary essential oil from Amazon. I heard that it helps grow your hair and strengthen it, so I tried it. Oh, these are my bands. Okay. These are actually my workout bands that I ordered. Nice. We'll wait and try those out. And maybe this package is not essential oil. Okay. I ordered so much stuff from Amazon. I take all my money. No, this is the Ultra Guard flea and tick collar dot for my dog. He had 2 fleas on him last week. So I ordered this. It's finally came. We'll put that on him. Milo, come here. This is your package. Come here. He's your baby. He's your baby. Say hi. Say hi. Are you my baby? Yeah. Is that a staple? There's a staple inside of this. Can you see that? Okay. Wow. I wonder why I put that in there. Let's put this on here. Look how long this is, baby. I'm gonna wrap this around you a couple times, actually. Look at that. Are you trying to lick me? Are you licking me? You're always licking me. As soon as I take a shower, my dog licks me like crazy. I think he likes the scent of my soap. Wait. Relax. Let me put this on. Okay. Or not. Milo. Here. Look at that. That's yours. That's for you. Are you gonna keep this on? Or when I come back home, you're gonna take it off. It's gonna be in your cage. I can get this on a little better, but you don't wanna be still. Baby. There. No more fleas. There you go. Alright, maybe my other package is in here. Let me see. Yes. No. This is a flea and tick prevention chews that I bought my dog. Okay. It says my package was delivered. I don't see it. Let's let you try this. I'm not sure if this even works, but oh, it smells awful. Ew, it stinks. I'm just trying it right now. It smells really bad. You don't like it either, baby? Oh no, you're eating it. Maybe it's not that bad. We'll see. Hopefully it works.